For example, this one we sell it for $8, €8 a piece. It would be 80 for 10 cigars. One of these it costs around $12 or $13 in the shop. This one we sell it for 9 a piece. We have a good offer of this because there are 15 pieces. We sell it for 110. This one 12 a piece will be 120. 15 a piece because probably this is the best one we make also. 15 a piece, 100 piece. For how long? They can keep these cigars, depending on how they store them, 5, 6, 7 years. The best way, humor a box made of cedar wood. Or, simple, plastic bag, ziplock, inside of the fridge, in the bottom part, you can keep it perfectly. Around 60 in the factory. We sell it for less because we just provide the factory with the guava fruit. They do the whole process. A ver, ¿quién va a probar el purito? Who wants to try a cigar? Like this, or maybe with honey. Next.
Sen denemeyeceksin mi? Yeter mi o kadar?
Honey or without?
Ballı mı diyor, normal mi?
Ballıyı ilk defa duydum. Yani ne yapıyor?
Şurada balı,
Yumuşatıyor.
evet.
Böylelikle balın da tadına bakılmış oluyor mu? Buranın balının. Ben diyorduk ya. Ben
No? One for you?
Her içmede de ilk başta yoğun değil mi? Ondan sonra normalleşiyor.
Nasıl?
Honey.
Evet.
Tamam biliyorum içine çek.
First of all, I have to remove the stump. Because as I told you, 75% of the nicotine is there. Okay? We use this as a compost or natural pesticide. How many leaf we have to use for one cigar? It depends on the sizes, between 4 to 7 leaf per cigar. But one cigar is divided in 3 different parts, okay? Because we have to blend different types of leaf. We call these ones fillers, okay? Binder, and the outside leaf, the wrapper. So I will cut it like this, then like this together inside, in this way. And then I start to roll it. After, I will do like a kind of massage. In the factories by the government, most of the people doing this are ladies. And then I will use this piece of paper as a press, okay? In the factories, when they have to press the leaf, they don't do it with paper, they have a wooden press. Normally, in this paper, I have to leave it for 2 hours. Why 2 hours? Because paper absorbs the moist, but also brings a better shape. All clear? This one, it has to be the most beautiful, okay? Because it will be the outside. The dress, very soft. This one is from the bottom of the plant. It gets less sun for the reason it's the mild one.
Bir pura nasıl içilir onu da anlatsın.
Let me finish and I will show. I have to remove the edge here.
Bak tüm damarlarını oradan kesiyor ki daha yumuşak olsun.
Yok, kenarları kesiyor onu sadece.
Damarlarını
Kenarları kesti, damarları zaten çıkarmıştı.
So I will put it in diagonal this way.
onu içlerde kullanıyor.
2 hours later, I will stretch it, and at the end, as a glue, and at the end, I will finish it like this. There are different ways to end it. This one, we call it pigtail, okay?
Wow.
And then I will use these two guillotine. That's it.
¿Cuánto vale?
This one is a gift. Right now, this one we cannot smoke it because it's too fresh. Normally, I have to put it back in this paper again and to keep it there for a few days to dry it completely. Cigars, it's similar to cigarettes. If you know how to smoke, you can inhale it. Okay? If you don't know, just keep it, just feel it in your mouth. Okay? But also, when we smoke it, when we puff it, we have to do this. Because like this, it would burn equal. Exactly. Welcome to this tobacco park. Okay? I will explain you a few things about tobacco, but also we have coffee, honey, different. Okay? So let me tell you something. First of all, you're lucky because you can see the tobacco plants right now because we are in the season. Okay? Because I mean, we plant it only once a year and we do it during winter time. Why winter? Because it's the drier season. Okay? For example, those ones, we plant them last month in November. In 3 months, they will be like this. And after 3 months is when we start to harvest the leaf and we dry it inside of that house. But this harvesting process, we do it in different levels. Why? Because the leaf looks similar, but they are completely different. Why different? Because depending on the position, they will get more or less sunlight. Okay? For that reason, we have strong, medium, and light leaf. For that reason, the house inside it's divided in sections because we have to put these different leaf in different places. We cannot put it together.
150 euro. Next one.
This one, 12 a piece, will be 120, like Cohiba Robust. Okay? This one, like Cohiba Petit Robust, 15 pieces for 110. Okay? Like Monte Cristo, 9 a piece would be 90. Okay? And like Romeo and Juliet, 8 a piece would be 80. Okay?
Ve şu fidelin işte.